Okay, so this is SAY61P03 modulating actuator valve for VPF or VPI can use for the N40 50 can this one. So the wiring is red is 24 VAC, black is neutral 24, green is signal positive, and then M is neutral. U is for feedback that one feedback and signal later I explain. So first we show, so when got power the LED will on so how we measure using multimeter. This one I use 24 VAC, so we measure here got this hole positive and then negative. Just insert the multimeter probe. So got 24, and then I change to signal. Now I put 2 volt DC. So got signal and feedback so when I change, example I change to 5 volt so actuator will rotate clockwise anti-clockwise to open and then anti-clockwise to close. So example anti-clockwise, so clockwise is close, clockwise open, anti-clockwise. So that's how we check the actuator okay or not. First we check power, and then after that if power got, then we check for the signal 0 to 10 if got, and then the LED should be on and one more thing, here we got dip switch. So the info for the dip switch got behind this cover the actuator cover. So number 1 is for either you want to use 0 to 10 signal or 4 to 20 milliamp. So now factory is 0 to 10 default. For number 2 is for the feedback type, whether it's linear or it's what we call this one, proportionally increase PP. So by factory we use proportionally increase but if you want to use linear also can. So what's the difference between exponentially increase and linear? So this one exponentially. So example, now signal is 10 now signal is 10 2 volt 2 volt, but the feedback will get less you see feedback 0.8. this one is to make sure when the valve open small, the pressure is not too high so that's why this setting is used. So if you want to change to linear, you just number 2 you just push to on and then the actuator will open. So when in linear mode, example this one is 2 volt signal, feedback also can get 2 volt so that's why it's called linear. So that's all the difference. So if you want to do auto calibration also for this actuator, this model can do auto calibration. So you take test pen you just insert here this hole, you just insert here and then hold a bit so this one blinking meaning it's doing auto calibration so the actuator will go close and then open. This one is to detect how far the valve travel between close and open position So we wait until this actuator finish. When the actuator finish doing auto calibration, the LED will stop blinking. So now it's already done auto calibration. Now the actuator is moving following the 2 volt we give before, 2 volt signal lah. This one in linear, not exponentially increase. Okay, done. So you can refer the wiring from the cover also lah, the cover of the actuator wiring here. So GO is negative, G is positive 24, Y is positive signal, and then M is neutral for signal and feedback, U is positive feedback. That's all.